In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a long form video and turn it into a short form video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have Adobe Premiere Pro open, and I have a long form 1920 by 1080 video in my editor here. I would like to make this into a short form video. So how do we do that? Make sure your clip is selected and go up to Sequence, Sequence Settings. And right here at the top, you can change the frame size. I know that a short form video is going to be 1080 pixels by 1920. So you can just type in those dimensions here and click OK. And it's going to say delete all previews for the sequence. So just say OK. Okay, now you can see the screen size has changed. It is now short form and it's cutting off the sides of my video, which is fine. Now I want to go up to Effects Controls. You can change the scale of your video. So right now I might have black bars or something at the top where it's cutting off weird. So I can scale this whole video clip to the size that I want so it fills the screen. And then you can double click it and also move it around to focus on a specific size of the screen. You may also need to right click this clip and say scale to frame size to adjust the scale of your clip in the timeline. So that's how you convert a long form video to short form in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe for more design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.